Alright, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be going over the Fumoto F107SX. It is basically a Fumoto's newer drain systems for oil or any fluid, but mostly oil is what I've seen on their website. So basically this comes through. This bolt comes through and then screws in to where normally the oil drain plug would be. And all you do is you lift up on this tab and then spin it, and that opens this port so that you can just easily drain your oil. I have one on my diesel truck, never had any issues with it. I do go off-roading with it every once in a while, not hardcore stuff, not anything crazy. But I live in the country, I'm on bumpy roads, I'm going hiking and camping in the backcountry, and never had any issues with it. It's always been tight, it's stayed tight, never had the lever accidentally start draining my oil at any time. So it's been great. They're made in Japan. I found them when I was searching on, because I was changing my oil so frequently with the diesel because I drive it so much. I wanted something that was a little bit quicker. It's really not that hard to do, just a normal drain plug. But I figured, why not? Might as well. You don't have to get your, if you're amazing at it, you can get away with not getting your hands dirty with the oil with a standard oil plug. But it was about 50-50 for me. So I was like, I'm just gonna get one of these. It'd be great. It's easy, and by far, it's worth the money if you're changing oil yourself, and just out of ease, you want to save some time. So we'll be going over that. I'll just show you how to install it. It's obviously pretty common sense, but I just wanted to show you how it kind of looks. I'm gonna be installing on my wife's 2015 Suburban. All right, we'll see you out there. It's a bad squeeze in here. Alright. So, we got the oil drain plug there. Loosen that bad boy up. Just a little bit of oil. Anyways, take that off, put the new one on, and we're good to go. So, kind of hold on position you want to have it in. And then, what's nice about it is it's so low profile. The whole thing is just really, really small, which is awesome. So, crank that down. Okay, and then from here on out, all I gotta do is pull up, okay, to the side, close, and it's done. They do sell little caps here you can put over the top. I got one on the diesel, but I don't usually. It's not a huge deal. The other nice thing is I could loosen this a bit, and I can also have it up here. So that is a nice thing. Obviously, you're gonna have a little bit of an issue draining it. But if you wanted to, you can hide it even more. Obviously, there's a soy bar here and all this crap in the way, so I don't really worry about it. This is a princess vehicle. You couldn't tell. Not really, but it's really nice. It has a lot of features that we don't even use, but it was a good deal, so we got it. But anyways, then you can put a little lock on there, and then it for sure will not, unless this thing gets kicked off. This comes up as it's moving across and hits 90 degrees. It will not open. So it's pretty slick, I'm not gonna lie. So I like it. I'm sure there's others out there. If there was one that was made in the USA, I probably would have gotten that one, but I didn't look long enough, and I've had good luck with Fumoto. So anyways, that's the install. Pretty easy.